Question 6. So we've got some box and whisker plots showing the flow of water through a drain measured in meters cubed per second. So it says the flow of water was measured at 11 a.m. each day for the first 5 months of the year. So part A, in which of the 5 months was the median flow of water the greatest? Well, remember the median is the middle line in the box. So the one with the greatest flow of water was the one that's the highest, so it's April. Part B, in which of the 5 months was the range of the flow of water the greatest? Well, the range is the biggest value take away the lowest, so it's the biggest box plot on your graph, which is January. You can see that by looking. You could use numbers, so you do 40 take away 15, then you do 36 take away 8, and so on. Okay, but the greatest range is in January. The next part. Iona is writing some statements for a report on the flow of water through the drain. Complete each of the statements given below. So part 1 is both the upper quartiles and medians in the month of were the same. So when were the medians and the upper quartiles the same? These are the upper quartiles, so they're the same in these 2 months and these 2 months, but the medians have to be the same as well, and it's these two here. So the answer is January and February. 25% of the results in March show the flow of water was greater than so many meters cubed per second. So it's the top 25% because we want it to be the greatest it could be. So it's in March, so we're looking at the top 25%, which is after the upper quartile. So it's this bit here. So this measurement here is 43. Part D. So circle true or false. It says 25% of the results in January show the flow of water was less than 6 meters cubed per second. So January here, we're looking at the lowest 25%, which is here, but actually this value is not 6. This value is 15. So this one is false. The units, meters cubed per second, measure the volume of water passing through the drain each second. True. The mean flow of water in April was certainly greater than 36 meters cubed per second. We can't work out the mean. We don't know anything about the exact values because they're put into a box plot, so we have to say false. And then lastly, the month with the greatest difference between the lower quartile and the median was May. Well, let's have a look. Between the lower quartile and the median, so between here and here, is that the greatest difference? No. Okay, so it's got to be, oh well, it's just false, isn't it? Because we don't need to know which one it was. It's just false because this one here is bigger and this one still.